Hello everyone, greetings to you. Welcome to Pravegaa Education and happy Teachers Day to all of you. So students, we all are celebrating the Teachers Day today and we all are sharing the joy of learning and mentorship. On this auspicious day of Teachers Day, Pravegaa Education is going to launch a wonderful program for our students, and that is foundation course for IIT JAM and CUET, and that is absolutely free on our YouTube channel. So students, we are just going to share the vision of education to all as well as democratizing the education. Students, before preparation, you have to prepare. Before swimming, you have to learn swim. So onto that particular vision, we are just going to start a wonderful course that is absolutely free, named as Foundation Course for IIT JAM and CUET. This foundation course for obviously those students who are just want to prepare and they are just trying to achieve some big goal into the sciences. So students, today we are going to launch this program with an orientation program, and in this orientation program, my co-founder, Mr. Alok Ji Shukla sir, will just tell you what should be the feature of this program and how we will accomplish our goal. So students, teachers, friends, I just welcome all of you onto this particular session that is going to start at 6 p.m. 5 September 2024. So today we are going to start this particular session at 6 p.m. Please students, join this and support this particular great cause for the education in a science learning. Thank you.